unlimited software updates for the life of the tool. Continuous updates, but no more cost to you. The motorcycle and power sports industry continues to rapidly change. Motorcycles, scooters, and ATVs are all becoming more complex, with electronic control units monitoring everything from onboard diagnostic systems to injection systems to anti lock brakes and anti theft. Many independent repair shops are struggling to stay competitive with dealerships, but there is a solution: the MemoBike 6050 Universal Scan Tool. The MemoBike 6050 is a trusted brand, known for quality diagnostic tools in the power sports market for many years. The MemoBike 6050 covers 100 plus major brands and over 7,000 models and 15,000 applications for motorcycles, scooters, ATVs, and side by sides. And the MemoBike 6050 offers more systems coverage so that technicians can perform diagnostics on everything from the electronic control unit to the transmission to the radio and the electronic traction systems and more. To work on power sports vehicles requires the advanced engineering and diagnostics built into the MemoBike 6050. This will lead to greater success for the mechanic. All the diagnostic features required by the manufacturer are available for you: display ECU data, erase faults, visualization of parameters, and all the configurations that will allow you to be fully independent. The new MemoBike 6050 MS 6050 R23 kit comes with activation for the Universal Unlimited software license that covers all 100 plus brands and along with the master universal USB and battery cables. There will be regular updates to check and download monthly, ensuring that you stay ahead of the curve. You can choose from over 48 OEM specific cables that plug directly into the factory data ports. And now we introduce special kits to make it easier and less expensive. The MS6050 R23 V Twin, which includes all the OEM cables, a total of 4, to work on Harley Davidson, Victory, and Indian. Next up is the MS6050 R23 Euro, which includes all the OEM connector cables, a total of 4, to work on BMW, Ducati, and Triumph. Next up is the MS6050 R23 Asia, which includes 8 OEM connector cables to work on Honda, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and Yamaha. And last up is the MS6050 R23 ATV, which includes a total of 9 OEM connector cables to work on ATVs produced by BRP, Can-Am, Hysun, Honda, Kawasaki, Polaris, Suzuki, and Yamaha. The MemoBike 6050 Universal Scan Tool, now with unlimited software updates for the life of the tool. Continuous updates, but no more cost to you. To learn more, visit www.anseddiagnostics.com.